Your time is your most valuable asset, and these AI tools help you guard it. From scheduling and task management to note-taking and browser automations, these platforms handle the repetitive stuff, so you don't have to. First up, Reclaim AI. It syncs your to-do list with your calendar, auto-blocks time to get work done, and even schedules habits like workouts or deep work sessions. Your calendar just got a brain. Lindy AI is your personal admin. It drafts and replies to emails, schedules meetings, and manages your inbox while syncing across tools like Notion and Google Calendar. Stack AI lets you connect your tools and automate logic-based workflows using natural language. It's like Zapier, but with intelligence and customization for pros. Relay handles multi-step workflows between teams and tools. Whether you're onboarding new hires or coordinating project steps, Relay keeps everyone on track without you having to micromanage. Notion AI turns your notes into organized docs, task lists, or summaries. You can brainstorm, structure content, and even automate weekly updates, all in one workspace. Notion AI turns your notes into organized docs, task lists, or summaries. You can brainstorm, structure content, and even automate weekly updates, all in one workspace. Harpa AI brings ChatGPT into your browser. Summarize articles, autofill forms, reply to emails, or trigger automations right inside Chrome. A huge boost for researchers, writers, and marketers. Scribe AI turns any workflow into a tutorial automatically. Just hit record, perform your task, and it creates a shareable, visual SOP. Perfect for onboarding and training. Pinocchio lets you launch AI apps and tools locally without terminal or coding. Whether you're spinning up Stable Diffusion or other open source tools, it's plug and play. Zapier is the backbone of automated workflows. Connect 6,000 plus apps and trigger complex sequences with zero code. Email, docs, CRM, anything can be automated. Motion takes your task list, weighs priorities, and auto-schedules your day, minute by minute. It adapts in real time, so you never fall behind. Magical lets you auto-fill text and forms using keyboard shortcuts. Perfect for sales, recruiting, or customer support. Cut your typing time in half. Bardeen is your browser's autopilot. From downloading reports to posting updates or syncing dashboards, it's perfect for automating those tasks that drain your day. Whether you're a creator, manager, freelancer, or founder, these tools eliminate friction, cut down busy work, and give you your time back. Work less, focus more, and automate smarter. Time is the one thing you can't make more of, but you can waste less of it. Drop your favorite time-saving tool in the comments, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll be back next week with more AI tools that work while you don't.